went on a little run. Oh, what the hell is that? Eli's on. Hasn't really gone crazy like it yet. Oh, it's a big yellow. Oh, I'm getting pulled in. Got him.
He's not fighting, it's just dead.
Wait, Cooper's on something big here.
G'day everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm down here on the Murray River doing some bait fishing. I'm putting the first rod out to Paternoster with some jan jack worms. Gonna put that out. There's a bit of current, so I'll probably just put that out right there. Using the jan jack worms. About to get the second rod out. Put the second rod out, bait caster. Put that out. I'm gonna put that one just out there. Been here for about 15 minutes now and no fish yet, which is surprising. Normally when I come to this spot I catch quite a few. Quite early. Eli's just put his rod in next to his houseboat. I got 2 rods over there and Connor's got 2 rods over there as well, so hopefully soon enough we can get a first fish. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning, so we've still got plenty of time. Alright, so we've made a bit of a spot change. We're actually on the Campaspe River now, not too far from the last spot, but hopefully here we can catch a fish. Last spot, we were only there for about half an hour, we had no luck. We tried horseshoe early ago and Eli got a 70cm carp. I put a photo of it up right there. It was a pretty good fish and he put up a good fight. Eli got it on a weightless worm. So hopefully here we can get onto some maybe like reddies and some yellows and stuff, but probably carp. Alright, I'm gonna get the first rod out to Paternoster, only a light sinker. We'll put that out there. It's in the middle, should be right. It's quite deep there actually. Put that rod down there for now while I go try and find a rod holder. There we go, the float rig's rigged up. 2 juicy jan jack worms. I'll put the link in the description below. That rod can go out there. The carp, he just went on a little run. Oh, what the hell is that? It's the blackest carp I've ever seen. What the hell? That is the weirdest, that is the darkest carp I've ever seen. Well, I've got the first fish of the trip for me. That is so weird. Look how black that carp is. That is the darkest carp I've ever seen. What? There we go. I got the first fish of the trip for myself. Eli already got that 170cm carp earlier. And that's the first fish from out. It's really weird. I've never caught a carp like that before. I've caught them dark, but I've never caught a black carp. These worms are a bit mangled, so I'll put some fresh ones on. Put that rod back out where it was. Hopefully get another fish soon enough. Eli just had a bite. And a lot.
Where's that carp out there?
Yeah, bro. Oh, there's a big carp out there. That was a big carp. Oh, I'm on. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting pulled in. Got him. Oh! Got to keep that rod under so I can go under that. I was looking at Eli getting a bite and then that's a tiny little carp. Very opposite colour to the last one. This one's quite white. Almost pulled my rod in. For such a small fish. Decent fight. There we go. Second fish of the session. I've only been here probably under 10 minutes. I'll knock him on the head and I'll get my rod back out. I've got no time to lose. It might be right to go back out, but I'll just put one more on. Eli's getting a bite too. It's all happening. I'll just get my rod back in. There we go. I was holding Eli's rod while he ties up a lead and not got him. Oh.
It's a better fish, bro.
Maybe. Oh, yeah, he might be better. Oh, it's fighting like a carp, but I don't know. I hope so. I don't think so, but
Very yellow though.
hopefully. Nah, it's a carp. I reckon it's just better size. Hasn't really gone crazy like yet. Oh, it's a big yellow. Eli, you're kidding me.
Told you that was a yellow.
You're kidding me. It's a nice one too. Oh, yes, bro. Come on. Yes, that's an absolute chunk of a yellow. I did not expect that to happen.
Yes, bro.
Look at that.
That's a beast.
A chooky Yellowbelly out of the Campaspe River.
That'd be nudging 50, bro.
I reckon it would be too. You want to grab that brag mat out of your bag?
Yeah, well, just... Wait, I'm just gonna...
Just revive him in the water for a little bit while Eli gets his brag mat. That's a really nice yellow. on the Jan Juck worms. I cannot believe that. Do you want to wet the mat, please?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let the rag mat go on and look after your fish.
It's a little chunk. Tell you what. 40.
48.
Oh shit.
47, 48.
Yeah, I'll say 47. Get a photo of him on the map. 3, 2, 1. There we go. There's that yellow. I'm going to get him back now. So happy with that fish. Lovely, great condition yellow. Come on, buddy. Off he goes. Swims off strong. Come on. So happy with that. And it's so surprising. I did not expect to get a yellow. I was really hoping to get one. I'm going to get that rod back in after I caught that nice yellow. 47 centimetres he measured. I'm so happy with that fish. Right out there next to those snags. Didn't take long at all. I think it's taken me about 2 minutes between each fish. I don't even think we've been here for 15 minutes. I've just had 2 bites while Ehli was trying to tie up his rod. His uni not snapped before, so he's tying up some new leader on that rod. The wind's making it a bit tricky to tell bites, but hopefully it backs off. I'm certainly winning the comp now. 3-0. 3-1 I mean. 3-1 me and Ehli. Connor's got 0.
Reese, I don't want you.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, I missed him. That was a weird ass bite. Did you see it?
Yeah.
That was like a... Yeah, it was just like sort of on it. And it was like... I don't know if that might have been like a small... Yeah, that's what I reckon. Or even a little redfin. I reckon I'm going to change the float rig to running sinker. I should just give one rod a rest for... No, I don't even need 2 rods. We've only been here for about 20 minutes and I've already caught the 3 fish. Eli's been tying up knots for most of the time though, unfortunately, but I'm sure once he's done, he's going to come over here and poach my spot a little bit. That's alright, I don't mind. If we're both catching fish, I'm happy. Had a nice hit. Hopefully he comes back. Hit it pretty hard. Come back. That's the advantage with using a really light sinker, because most of the time the fish will come back.
I was running 10 though. Because he took me into his little twig and snapped me off straight away.
Oh shit. That's a better cast. I just put a fresh worm on after I had that bite and he didn't come back. I've had quite a few bites in this spot and it seems like they're all near the snag, because I've had that floating around out there in every possible spot and didn't get a touch apart from right there, which was really weird. But actually, what I might do is, because of that fish that ate before, like right at the bank, I don't actually have a float on here right now, but I might actually just put these worms literally like 2 meters in from the bank. I think I'm getting a bite too. I might literally just put those worms right there. After this clip ends is where my GoPro battery died. My mate Connor brought down my spare battery, but while my GoPro was dead, this happened.
That's it. He's not fighting, it's just dead
Wait,
weight.
Cooper's on something big here. Wait, nah, this is a good cod, bro. I'm telling you.
Oh, yeah.
Don't lose him, please. Did he wrap you up?
Yeah, I think so.
Still on there?
I don't know.
Give me a feel. Wait, do you want to run out there? I'll hold on.
I'll go out there, yeah.
That was a good cod, bro. Definitely.
reckon.
Big cod.
Hopefully it's not too deep either.
What I hooked into was what me and Ehli reckon was a big cod. It was well over 1 metre. By the way it was fighting, and once I got the hook off the snag, unfortunately the fish was gone, but the paint on the hook was really scratched up, which is what we reckon was from the big cod's teeth. About 5 minutes after this happened, my mate Connor brought my spare battery down and I was ready to fish again.
Oh yeah, I'm getting bit.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That feels good, that feels good.
Get your rod all the way
That
back.
feels like a yellow.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, wait, oh no, it's a carp.
Oh, that's alright. Bring him in. How big?
Oh.
Still a bit of fun on the light gear. He's a bit darker. Nowhere near as dark as that one I got, the first one I got, but there we go. Eli's on the board for the session.
Nice little carp.
Taking him a while, but finally got one. On the Jan Jocks. There we go. Little carp out of the Campaspe.
Little perch, because that's not a carp.
Yeah, I reckon I've been getting bites from silvers too. Oh, move. Oh my god. So yeah.
Let me know if you got anything big.
Fun.
A spot change, moving down the river a little bit more. After that jet ski came through and absolutely destroyed our bank. It's on there. Put that rod out, just there. We've moved back to the old spot and Ehli just had a nibble.
I've got a tiny dog though. No, he's back. Oh, he's got a bite too.
Which one? The red rod? Oh yeah. There we go, he's still there. I'm not trying to strike him because I don't have a circle hook on this one.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Oh.
No.
Another bite. I reckon they're little silvers because we've had a lot of those little bites today and none of them hook up. So I reckon they might be little silvers. Yeah, go. Oh, I missed him. Come on. Kept tapping at it. You getting a bite too?
Other lake. Bird and shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's on.
Yep. Come on.
Good, is it good?
Yeah, I think it's a carp though. Yeah, carp.
Can we wind in?
Yeah, sure if you want.
Alright, keep him up. You recording?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, carp.
I'll just check. Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Oh, I haven't caught a fish for a while, so.
Of course, this one's the one that we land.
This one's also pretty dark. I think he's the biggest carp of the session. Oh yeah. He's also pretty dark. There we go. My fourth or fifth? Fourth carp out of the Campaspe for the session. There we go. I'll knock him on the head and probably only get about 5 more minutes of fishing, so hopefully we can get one more, but if we don't, all good. Ehli's on. Looks like it'll be a carp. Do you want me to bring that rod in?
No, it's all good. He's out there far. Oh yeah, I just seen him. That's a good carp.
Good one. Oh yeah, he's not bad. Jag screaming.
This is why I love me ultra light, guys.
Walk over this way a little bit more so you don't bring him over that line.
Yeah, it's a carp. Seen his orange.
Yeah.
Like I looked at me rod, eh?
Yeah.
I just seen it going out slowly. This rod's a 0.5 to 3 kilo presso, guys. Such good find. With a little 2000 dial caliber on there. 6 pound braid and a 10 pound leader, just to help with those snags.
That's the biggest carp of the session, if he lands it.
Ah, he's a giraffe.
He's around that back fin.
Oh, is he?
Oh, he's not bad.
He's nothing like that 70 over there.
Nah.
Nothing compared to those big dogs that you lost.
Yeah, true. Just beach him. Do you want me to grab his gills?
Yep.
Oh, look at his mouth. He's been caught. Been caught before. Look at his lips. They've been ripped.
Oh yeah. Well, someone's done the wrong thing by the fishery, so.
Or he could have just snapped off.
Oh yeah, or he got snapped off, but out of the system now.
He'd probably go around 45, 50.
Yeah, I'd say around there. Nice carp.
Go and knock him on the head and
Get
probably
back
get our
to
rods back
fishing.
out for about 3 or 4 more minutes and then we'll go home.
Keep it on, guys. Sorry, I missed the hook up there, but tiny little carp.
I think that'll do us for the session. GoPro's only on 2% or something, so there we go. Last little carp, my 6th of the session.
I think the Owen's really smashed me now, keeper.
Oh well, we'll see how it goes tomorrow. I'll see who
So he comes out on top.
planning to go to the channels tomorrow.
Down to irrigation channels. Try to get onto some Yellowbelly.
Okay, little tiny cup. I'm getting a bite right there. My worm is sitting, no joke, a metre from the bank. Oh, yeah. That was absolutely crazy. That's gonna do me for the session. My croc is on the other side of the river. Don't ask how that happened. I'm gonna have to go swim for that croc.